Hello there and welcome. My name's Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts. Thank you for joining me again on my channel. So today I'm showing you my Back to School folio, which is my September design team project from LineDotArrow. I was inspired by an envelope folio made by the Book Vandal shop. I'll put their link down below, but obviously, as we do, made my changes. So on the back I have this pocket filled with different pieces of ephemera, and then on the front it has this string closure, which when you unwind it then folds down. I then have two large pockets, which again are filled with some of the ephemera from the kit. This was a lovely large kit. I didn't use all of the elements, but I tried to use as many as I could fit into this folio without it being too bulky and then impossible to close. So I have similar things in both the pockets. So I tried to have a mixture of tags and journaling cards, and I used lots of the little fuzzy cut elements just to decorate the tags a little bit. And I actually used cheesecloth as a kind of ribbon at the top of the tags as well. I was debating on sticking further like little tuck spots and pockets on the front of these larger pockets, but the paper's just so pretty. I didn't want to cover them up at all. But yeah, lots of lovely journaling cards, lots of tags in the kit, lots of different fussy cuts for you to be able to play around with and add to your journal or folio. Okay, so now the folio just folds back up to the start and then it flips open again from the bottom. I have two sections here, so at the top I have this again tie closure, and these are two pockets which again have tags in. To make them short enough to fit in the pocket, I did fold up the bottom to create a mini tuck spot, where again I've put some of the smaller fussy cuts and just decorated where obviously it's now white space at the bottom, and then just added some tea dyed paper for a little extra piece of writing. And then it just tucks back in there, and then I have one also sitting behind it, which is very similar. So again, one of the tags folded up at the bottom, some school handwriting paper as well tucked in the back, just to add a little bit of extra writing space. Again, I have just used a piece of cheesecloth for decoration at the top of the tag to replace the ribbon. Again, just fold it up so that it fits snugly inside the envelope. Then on the back I have a clipboard, which is again from the kit, and then use that as again a pocket and put some of the other elements tucked in behind. And at the bottom, I didn't want to over embellish. I have just a mini journal. I really love this page in the kit, so I've just shrunk it down to make a little mini journal. A little tuck spot in the front, and then just filled it with different types of papers. So I've got tea dyed papers, line papers, dictionary page, some of the handwriting pages that I had tucked up above, and then just alternated that all the way through the little booklet. As I say, I shrunk all this down so that it fit quite nicely, and again created a pocket at the back so that it just slides in and fits snugly at the bottom. And that's the end of the tour of my folio. As I say, beautiful papers, a lovely kit to work with. I will put the link down below so that you can go and check them out as well. They're currently 30% off, so make sure you go and take advantage. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. The usual links are down below, and I hope you all have a wonderful crafty day. See you later. Bye bye.